explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. Let us begin with chapter number 9 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is voice, right? So, what is voice? Basically, there are two types of voice, the active voice and the passive voice. So, what has been described about these voices in the chapter? Let us read them very quickly. So, beginning with the very first topic, which says active voice. So, let us talk about the active voice first of all. A verb is an active voice when it tells something that a person or a thing does. एक वर्ब जो है वो अपनी एक्टिव वॉइस में तब कहलाती है a verb is an active voice when it tells something that a person or a thing does. कि एक वर्ब जो है वो एक एक्टिव वॉइस में तब कहलाता है जब वो हमें बताती है कि कोई भी पर्सन या थिंग क्या काम कर रही है, राइट? An active voice expresses an action performed by the subject. तो एक्टिव वॉइस जो है वो हमें बताती है वो काम जो कि सब्जेक्ट एक्चुअली परफॉर्म कर रहा है, राइट? एग्जाम्पल्स, राजन ब्रोक अ विंडो, राइट? नेक्स्ट, when did you write this letter? Now, after that, we have the passive voice. So let's talk about the passive voice. The verb is in the passive voice when it tells something that is done to a person or thing. कि अब ये verb पैसिव वॉइस में तब होती है जब ये बताती है कि कोई चीज जो है वो एक पर्सन या थिंग के ऊपर की जा रही है, राइट? Passive voice expresses an action performed upon the subject. पैसिव वॉइस जो है वो ऐसा एक्शन एक्सप्रेस करती है जो कि सब्जेक्ट पर एक्चुअली परफॉर्म किया जा रहा है. एग्जाम्पल्स, द विंडो was broken by Rajan. And when was this letter written by him? Right? Now, we have a note given over here which says the change from active voice to passive voice involves the following. अब अगर हमें चेंज करना है एक्टिव वॉइस को पैसिव वॉइस में तो उनमें ये सब चीजें इंक्लूड की जाती हैं. There are some rules that we need to follow while changing the voice. So let's talk about those rules. Subject changes into object. तो अगर हम एक्टिव वॉइस की बात करें जब हम उसे कन्वर्ट करना होता है पैसिव वॉइस, तो जो सब्जेक्ट होता है वो चेंज किया जाता है ऑब्जेक्ट में, राइट? ऑब्जेक्ट चेंजेस इनटू सब्जेक्ट. जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है उसको चेंज किया जाता है सब्जेक्ट में. देन यूज ऑफ बाय बिफोर द ऑब्जेक्ट. ये ऑब्जेक्ट के पहले हम लोग बाय का यूज करते हैं, दैट इज मिलडेके, राइट? चेंज एक्टिव वॉइस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस, यूज द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. जब भी हम कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो एक्टिव वॉइस को पैसिव वॉइस में तो हमें पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज करनी होती है, राइट? एग्जाम्पल, आई लव माई फैमिली, राइट? आई यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट है और माई फैमिली यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट है. तो अगर हम इसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे पैसिव वॉइस में, अगर हम इसे कन्वर्ट करें पैसिव वॉइस में तो यहाँ जो सब्जेक्ट है उसको हम ऑब्जेक्ट बना देंगे और जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको हम सब्जेक्ट बना देंगे. जैसे माई फैमिली इज लव्ड बाय मी, तो यहाँ पर माई फैमिली जो है वो बन जाता है सब्जेक्ट और मी बन जाता है ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट? नाउ आफ्टर दैट वी हैव द रूल्स. वी हैव रूल्स फॉर ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स. अब ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स के लिए कुछ अलग रूल्स होते हैं. So they say, do you write a letter? And it becomes in the passive voice, is a letter written by you, right? Moving ahead. Who teaches you English? By whom you are taught English, right? After that, we have the rules for tense changes in passive voice. अब एक्टिव से जब पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो एक्चुअली टेंसेस की भी थोड़ी हेर फेर की जाती है. नाउ व्हाट आर दोज चेंजेस जो कि टेंसेस के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज किए जाते हैं. रूल्स फॉर टेंस चेंज इन पैसिव tense or modal, then the passive voice and then the active voice. So let's see. So do or does की अगर बात करें तो it becomes is, am, are plus past participle, and in the active voice do or does plus verb का base form, right? Then it is, am or are. So it becomes is, am, are plus being plus past participle, right? Next is an are plus verb plus IL, correct? After that it is was or were. So it becomes verb plus being plus past participle. And in the active voice it becomes was or were plus verb ing form, right? Did. So did becomes was or were plus past participle. And in the active voice it is did plus verb ka base form, right? Next is will or shall. So passive voice में it becomes will or shall plus be plus past participle. And active voice में it becomes will or shall plus verb ka base form. Next, has, have, had. It becomes has, have or had plus been plus past participle. And after that, has, have or had plus past participle. Right? Can, may or must. So it becomes can, may, must or be plus past participle. And active voice becomes modal plus verb ka base form. Next, could or might. Could or might plus be plus past participle, and in the active voice it becomes modal plus verb ka base form. Right? Now we have examples over here. Let us read them very quickly and know more clearly about them. So they are: do not open the door. Let the door not be opened by you. Please let me a glass of water. You are requested to give me a glass of water. Please don't give me a glass of water. So you are requested not to give me a glass of. So that was all about the chapter voice. I hope you all are clear with both the voices, that is active and the passive voice as well, right? And you all are also clear with the concepts that we need to use while changing the sentences from their active voices to their passive voice. So that was all from my side. I hope you all gathered a lot of information from here. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.